Hey guys, let's see today how to take a selfie with voice control on iPhone, iPad guys. So for that just go to settings and just try to find accessibility and just try to find voice control and just make sure that your voice control is turned on. When your voice control is turned on, you can also notice that the top left corner blue microphone one icon also appeared. That means your voice control is turned on guys. So now open camera. Now you can see guys. Tap take picture. Here you go. You can see that. I will try once more. Tap take picture. Tap take picture. So here you go. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.